Another day, another condo tour. So andito po tayo ngayon sa 2-bedroom unit, 48.20 square meters, corner area here in Covent Garden. So pasok po tayo. Itutour ko po kayo sa 2-bedroom unit natin. So this is your living area and here is your view. As you can see, ang ganda ng view po natin. May city view. At paggabi po, ang ganda ng night view nyo dyan. So pagka lipat nyo po dito, basic furnitures and basic appliances lang, pwede ka na makalipat. As you can see, naka-tiles na siya. Fully painted white na rin yung mga walls natin. May provision dito sa sala for the aircon as well. So pasok po tayo sa master's bedroom. And this is your master's bedroom. May sarili po siyang provision for the aircon. Naka-tiles na rin po siya. Fully painted white. And also, here is your view in your window. Still, may CCTV kayo. And ang kagandahan sa master's bedroom po natin is may sarili kayong bathroom. So sa bathroom po natin, may lavatory, may bowl, and also the head shower. So, naka-tiles na rin po yan. Fully painted white na rin. So ngayon, dito naman tayo sa pangalawang bedroom. Ito yung pangalawang bedroom po natin. Same as the first bedroom, naka-tiles na yan, fully painted. Meron din provision for aircon. And this is your view. We'll go now to our kitchen area. So in the kitchen area, naka-garnite na yung sink natin. Stainless sink. May upper and lower cabinets na rin. Naka-grease trap na rin po yan. May provision for your range hood. And also may lagayan po kayo for your refrigerator. Nasa sa inyo na po kung i-interior nyo siya. Pwede nyo dagdagan yung cabinets po. So bahala na po kayo kung magdi-DIY kayo o gagawin mo siyang ipapa-interior nyo siya. So here in the sala, meron tayong sarili CR, which is the common CR. Same as before, may naka-tiles na siya, fully painted white, may lavatory, bowl, and head shower. Kagandahan po is meron tayong provision for the laundry area. So ngayon, if you have any questions po or any concerns, unit viewing, quotations, please do not hesitate to message me here. Bye-bye!